Hello, my friends. I'm going to talk about Gauss law today. First of all, we need to learn the formula for divergence theorem. According to the divergence theorems, the total sums of the vector field times the surface area is equal to total volume integrals of the divergence of the vector field. And if this vector field is electric field, then it's going to be very easy now. Now, first of all, let's say we have a point charge in a sphere. Yeah, it's better put it here. Point charge in a sphere. And the radius of the sphere is d. So I should write down here. Point charge in a sphere. The electric field will be, the scalar form of electric field will be given by Q, and then Q 4 pi epsilon d square. Now let's apply this formula to see what happens. A, and then E dot product with the vector area, the area vector. And since this is a sphere, the electric field will be the same everywhere on the surface of the sphere. So essentially, you can take the E variable out. But the way how you do it should be very carefully done. So originally this is a vector. So after taking out from the integral, it should become an area. And on the other hand, you will end up with an integral of the total surface area of the sphere. And there shouldn't be any vector size on the top of this letter A. Now, E, what is E? According to the formula here, Q 4 pi d square. And what is the total surface area? That's simple. 4 pi and then d square. So eventually, the formula will end you up with an answer, very clean answer, Q and then epsilon. And the final result doesn't contain any information about the geometry. So in other words, this formula is applicable for all kinds of geometry, right? Because this formula is also equal to the volume integral of the divergence of vector E, and then dV. the volume indicates it doesn't matter what kind of volume is. The formula is applicable. In this case, this means the formula is going to be applicable to other shape. Other shape. Sorry, that should have been. As long as it is a closed surface, it will work. So I better write down more clearly. Q epsilon so this is the formula for Gauss law.